those of my audience that would want to come to Russia to study, how is the process from applying for admission and then getting visa from their home country? Can you tell us a bit about your own process, how
My
you got it there?
process. That was 6 years ago, 2019,
Okay,
and I used an agent.
okay,
So I think using an agent is a little bit easier because most schools probably would not want to like deal with an individual directly. So
yeah.
using an agent, it's easier.
So does it mean an individual cannot apply?
You can apply, but I think at the end of the day, they could still direct you to like use an agent. Or if you know someone that already studies maybe in the country or in that particular city or that particular school, it will be much more easier for you. And also, I think it is more, it makes it more affordable because, of course, if you're using an agent, they try to like, it's a business, right? So they
Yeah,
try to
yeah,
like
yeah,
make money off you,
yeah, yeah.
which I do not like. I'm not criticizing them for it. It's a
Okay,
business, and
it's
I
a
understand
business.
that.
Yeah, yeah.
But like if you use someone that is already here and someone that you probably know, it could be a little bit cheaper.
Mhm. And also, I think also is because most of the schools, even in Belarus, yeah, if you want to apply to a school, the school will redirect you to go through an agent
Yes,
that
yes,
have a contract with the school or
yes,
probably someone that is studying in the
yes.
university. And basically, the aim is for them to have someone that they can hold
Yeah,
accountable.
yeah. And for
Accountability, yeah.
most places, I think after your first year, or should I say, because most people that are coming, they come in through like maybe they come in to learn the language, and after that, they can apply for the normal program.
Yeah.
So depending on the school, they could do it in such a way that after your first year, let me say, of learning the language, when you want to start your program, you could apply directly to the school, and you pay directly to the school. That way, it is easier and it's cheaper.
Yeah. Okay, so I will say that. So if any of my audience today wants to study in Russia, so they can contact you, right?
I guess so. You
Ah,
can.
that's great. All right, guys. So if you want to study in Russia, Priscilla is your blog. You can just type instructor in the comment section, and I'll connect you with Priscilla. And you are going to be a student in Russia.